Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to change Spotify email. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Spotify on your device and tap your profile. Here, tap Account. A browser tab will open. This is your account overview. Scroll down and tap Edit Profile. Now enter your desired email address on the email field. And enter your password to confirm. Scroll down and tap Save Profile. Your email address has been changed. Now you must verify the email, so go to your mail and open the message from Spotify. Here, tap the Confirm email link to verify your new email address. So that's how you change Spotify email. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.